In 1960, a farmer needed a whole month to harvest 100 acres today. This amazing machine accomplishes the same work in just 7 hours. What you are seeing is not science fiction, but real machines working now in the fields of the future. Giant robots harvest crops with amazing precision, performing the work of 50 workers at once. What you will see in the next few minutes will make you rethink everything you know about modern agriculture. Imagine with me, my friend, a farmer racing against time to collect his crop of grass, but not in any conventional way, but with the help of a robotic monster named Robomax. Can you believe that this amazing machine from Brewer Kazmak can turn your farm into a green gold mine? The secret of its strength lies in the fact that it is built on the John Deere giant four-wheel drive tractor and automatic transmission system, which makes it overcome any challenge in the field. Now imagine that you are watching this machine devour the soil smoothly and take it out in the form of rolls of grass, with a diameter between 40 and 60 centimeters, as if it is preparing the most delicious types of sushi. But instead of fish and rice, we find fresh grass ready to be packaged, and the fun does not end here, as the intelligent automated system stacks this roll with extreme precision on wooden pallets, 5 rolls at a time. Imagine the speed of this process, especially since the machine reaches its maximum speed of 12 kilometers per hour. And what about those little obstacles that might get in her way? Don't worry, the machine is equipped with intelligent systems that enable it to get rid of any stuck debris while working. Have you heard of the giant beet harvesting mouse Rupa Mouse? 6 wonder machines that combine the power of a dinosaur with the intelligence of the digital age? Imagine a luxury cabin flying in the air? Well, not a real flight, but it rises to a full 5 meters thanks to magic hydraulic presses. 2 adults can sit in it in complete comfort, as if they were in a mobile salon. As if that were not enough, it is equipped with a harvesting and purification system that is 10 meters longer than a baby whale and is propelled by a mighty 354 HP, 7.7-liter Mercedes-Benz engine. It maintains high efficiency even at low engine revs, and the best part is, sophisticated computers manage everything from telemetry and predictive analytics to online diagnostics, like an electronic mind working alongside you. Have you ever imagined wrapping straw country turning into a dazzling dance show? This is what you will witness with the Fernland machine. So the wonder settled. Instead of the wind worrying and scattering your straw bales, this machine comes to end all fears. It not only cuts the grass and shapes it into a country of equal size, but also wraps it tightly with a special cloth, as if it were bringing huge gifts from nature. Surprisingly, Vespal saves you from buying any additional equipment. It does everything on its own. Imagine that the driver only has to drive the tractor in a straight line across the field, while the machine does all the work without stopping or tiring, thanks to its electric motor and high-speed transmission system. At 1,000 RPM, all its mechanisms work super smoothly, and the hay feeding system and high-speed wrapping system ensure the material is handled gently and accurately. This remarkable machine has won numerous awards at agricultural exhibitions and competitions to prove that it is indeed the undisputed star of the field. Did you know that a spacecraft is operating right here on Earth? Well, not exactly, but it's very close. Meanwhile, people are fulfilling their dreams of exploring Mars. A company is realizing its vision of developing the land. How amazing is that? With the self-driving Akbot machine, you will feel like you are watching a science fiction movie on the ground. This wonder machine, equipped with a powerful diesel engine of Deutz type with a capacity of 2.9 liters and a power of 75 horsepower, can mow grass at a speed of up to 13 kilometers per hour. And the matter does not stop there. Its powerful pump pumps up to 85 liters per minute. But even cooler is the DAR system built into the front of the machine, which acts as magic eyes that monitor everything around it using ultrasound waves, so you don't have to worry about the codes colliding with rocks or even with shovels thrown on the ground. The Agipod is available in several different specifications, including varying wheel widths, and with prices ranging from $225,000 to $247,000. Can you believe that there is a huge agricultural monster that can literally do everything in the agricultural field? Imagine with me guarding, planting, protecting, and harvesting all of this by a single machine called powerhouses. This amazing machine is not an ordinary harvester, but rather an integrated agricultural robot that comes with a wide base that holds easily interchangeable modules. Do you want to change the task of the machine from tillage to agriculture? No problem. It only takes less than 10 minutes to disassemble one and install another, and as if that wasn't enough, the creators of Naxat promise us more magic in the future. All operations will be fully automated. Imagine a single farmer running an entire farm at the push of a button, goodbye to polluting exhaust fumes, and Naxat powered by an electric motor powered by 2 independent diesel engines, each with a power of up to 550 horsepower. Because Naxat thinks hard, it helps to increase production through an intelligent movement system that reduces the compaction of the field's soil, up to slightly less than 5%. Are you tired of dealing with those annoying rocks that disrupt your fields and harm your farming equipment? Fret not, because the University of the Rocks is here to help. Okay, that might be a bit of an exaggeration, but I'm referring to an incredible machine known as the Rock Baker from Terra Claire. This formidable machine operates like an enormous rock sorter, capable of handling any solid object ranging from 10 cm to 66 cm in size. Indeed, it's remarkable. Even those huge rocks rooted deep in the ground will not be able to resist the power of this machine. In a bid to demonstrate its efficiency, Rock Baker operates at an impressive speed, processing up to 600 rocks per hour. Just think about the sheer number of rocks you can gather in a single day. What's more, TerraClear hasn't overlooked farmers working with tight budgets. They offer an exceptional service that utilizes both skilled teams and advanced machinery to clean your fields, ensuring you don't break the bank. Reaching out to them is simple, and they promise to address your needs promptly and efficiently. Have you ever imagined that harvesting olives could be as easy as a walk in a quiet orchard with a blank machine? Almonds Lane? Become a reality? Imagine with me an ordinary tractor that turns into a cute monster that voraciously devours olives, but without causing any damage to the trees or their leaves. Yes, this machine is specially designed for dense olive groves, where it sneaks between the trees with the light of a butterfly and gently picks olives like a toddler. This machine can harvest 10 hectares of olives in just one working day. Isn't that amazing speed? Don't worry about the speed of the machine. It allows you to control it precisely, as you can adjust its speed starting from 1 to 2 km. With a speed of up to 6 km per hour, it's almost as if it's designed to satisfy everyone's tastes. Did you know that it is possible to make your apples juicier and sweeter by simply exposing them to golden sunlight? While it may sound odd, it is indeed real. To achieve this incredible transformation, Omi offers the extraordinary Vortex machine, which functions like an efficient, precision-driven magic broom that clears fallen leaves from apple orchards. Visualize a tractor morphing into an adorable dragon. It breathes fresh air instead of fire. The machine is equipped with 3 blower heads at the front, each of which is equipped with 2 rotors to cover a large area of orchard in record time. And don't worry, Vortex doesn't hurt delicate apples, but gently cleans them thanks to an adjustable flow system. Surprisingly, this machine not only removes leaves, but can also get rid of bird nests and harmful insects, thanks to the power of its blowing. Are you looking for a tireless, hard-working worker who works without complaint all day? Here's the magic solution: Club's e-trike ATK. Imagine with me a 3-wheeled bicycle, but it is not like any bicycle. It is a small robot, armed with the latest technology, ready to rush into your farm and carry out countless tasks. Do you want to spray the plants? No problem. Spreading fertilizer is easy. Pulling out weeds gladly extends the hoses with ease. The wheels of the globes are powered by electric motors that can achieve speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour, making them as swift as a busy bee at work. There is no need to be concerned about maintenance, since it is crafted without a transmission chain, thereby minimizing wear and tear and decreasing maintenance expenses. Moreover, technology enthusiasts will be delighted to learn that Klopp. With a virtual cockpit thanks to the built-in camera, you can remotely monitor the robot's work via live broadcast and control it remotely using the remote control, so there is no longer any fear of the robot getting lost in the neighbor's farm. Tired of weeds invading your fields? Are you looking for a magical solution to get rid of it without trouble? Here's the solution from Anfudan's innovative AnyTherma system. What therm? Not just farming equipment, it's a tamed fire dragon, ready to unleash controlled flames to wipe out those pesky weeds. Imagine with me a huge tractor advancing confidently, with a huge gas tank in front of it, as if it were the belly of a hungry dragon. And who's behind him? Loaded with several nozzles that fire tight fire, it turns clover and dandelion plants to ash in a blink of an eye. There is no need to worry about the cost of gas. The system is designed with advanced technology that saves up to 40% of gas consumption, which reduces the cost of operating it and accelerates the recovery of its costs. Surprisingly, each system, i.e., is specifically designed to meet the needs of individual customers. Whether large farms or municipal fields, these amazing machines are not just a technological achievement. They are the beginning of a new era in human history, an era in which traditional farms are being transformed into smart factories that feed the world. As we conclude our journey today, remember that what you have seen is only the beginning of what is to come. Share in the comments what is the most innovative agricultural that impressed you, and if you like the content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to see more amazing technologies in the world of modern agriculture.